What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good arts and godsends, and welcome back to our channel Canva Play. If you are new here, I am Simon, Good Heart VA, and I am back with another video tutorial. On this channel, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you're excited about this video, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. And with that said, let's jump right in. Today, I am so excited to show you how to create an interweaving portrait effect in Canva. This effect can also be seen in Godson VA IG handle in case you want to see the designs that she made. A portrait turned into interweaving strips is what an interweaving portrait effect is all about. Upon looking at the design, you will notice how the vertical and horizontal strip seems to alternate between going above and below each other, which is where the interweaving part comes from. Let's get into it and start creating the interweaving portrait effect. But before that, let me show you the sample that we will create. Let's now go to the blank Canva design editor. In creating this effect, we will only be needing two elements. The first one, go to Elements, search for Shape, and choose Square. Second one. Next, go to Element, but here I will choose it from Uploads. This is a drop shadow element. I have one from Uploads. You cannot find an element like this in the photos or even in the elements because this is a self-created element made of drop shadow. Still, I will show you how I created this. Add another page so I can show you how. I search for drop shadow under photos. Go to photos and search for drop shadow. You have many kinds of drop shadow to choose from. I will search and find this one, the second one. I will rotate it clockwise, 90 degrees, like this. Then, I will crop this drop shadow, crop it from down going upwards, like this one. Down going upwards. To create a look like the first one I showed you, I will duplicate it 2 times and perfectly align it to one another to make it a darker drop shadow element like the one we are going to use here. After creating this, you just need to upload it as a PNG and re-upload it back to Canva. That is how I created the one that I showed you above. Now, let's select this drop shadow element. I will duplicate it. Yes, position it here and I'll flip this vertically. You will see why I made this later on. After we have gathered the two elements, let's create another page. And we will now start creating the effect. Drag the square down. Color it black. Let me just color it into black here. After that, I'll resize it and make it a bit smaller. It's up to you what size you want what size you prefer on the square shape. Now, I think it's already good for me. I will duplicate this and make it 6 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will align them straight like this. I will share a hack on how to align elements if you want to cover the whole page. The way is put the square in two farthest opposite ends, like this one, and then I'll apply the tidy up feature in the position. Next, I will get the self-created drop shadow element and position it between the two squares, like I'm doing right now. Okay, position it between the two squares like this. Notice that the shadow is at the bottom. Here's a tip on how to do it fast. Click on the shadow, press, and don't release the Alt key while dragging it to the next place. That's a hack on how to duplicate elements, even the photos or the videos, faster than we usually do. I will leave one square space apart alternately like this. I will leave one square space apart alternately like this. Notice that I put the shadow alternately to create an interweaving look. Now it is not yet finished. Let's go back to the other drop shadow element, and I will drag it here and position it on the next two squares. But this time, I will place it at the bottom of the next two squares, like this one. And you can notice that the shadow is on the top or facing on the top. Let's repeat the procedure we made a while ago. Select, press and hold Alt key, drag the duplicated one like this one. After I've created the first horizontal row square line, I will group them together, select them all, and then group to make it as one, and then I'll duplicate it now. I will position this duplicate one to make the next row. It's up to you on how far the two rows will be. I think this is perfect now. Okay, let's duplicate it again. Repeat the process until you occupy the whole page. It's okay to not align it perfectly, because we can, since it is grouped, we can select them all and we can apply the tidy up feature again after we have positioned all of the rows. So let's select them all, position and tidy up. Now, take a look of the interweaving picture we've created. I think it's already good. Let's duplicate this page. And I will show you this time another kind of interweaving position by using the same interweaving picture we've created. I will select them all, and this time I will rotate them all together vertically to create a vertical interweaving look like this. Resize and make sure that it occupies the whole page. Like this one. Duplicate it again. This time, let's tilt it in an angle we desire to have. So it's up to you again on whatever angle you want, as long as you can, as you make it like a tilt version interweaving look. This is already good to me. Then, let's duplicate again the original one on the first page. Here. Let me send it on the end part. Now, let's create a more narrow interweaving look. Here, I will show you how. Select them all, and now create a more narrowing interweaving look like this. I think this is already good to me. Let's duplicate and let's make a horizontal interweaving strip with narrow spaces. Like this one. Let's now drag the beautiful pictures from uploads or photos that we want to create using the Interweaving Portrait Effect. Here on the first weave that we've made before, a while ago, go to uploads and drag any image you'd like, having the effect of it. Set the image as background. See? Next. Beautiful, right? Perfect. Awesome, right? Perfect. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your good heart VA. In behalf of Pinky, God sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video!